Calico Ghost Town. Let's explore. Old fire station. Looks like it may be gonna rain in the desert. Well, I'm here, so lamp post. Okay. Oh, the sun is out. Crazy weather in the desert. Looks nice. Old part of town, I guess. It's a really sketchy weather. I think I'm gonna go on a train ride, because that's all the things I do nowadays.
Aboard the Calico and Odessa Railroad.
Howdy there, folks. Y'all please stay seated as we take a ride together along the back country of Old Calico. Of course, many miners stayed in boarding houses, mainly for modern conveniences.
The rock is so hard, and we didn't have any water to use for mining, so we had to hack and blast away at the rock.
During the boom years, Calico's 10-square-mile mining district boosted a population of nearly 2,000. They had workers actually living here. Waterloo Mine Company Railroad.
This large area to the left of the train was where some of the miners lived. There is still one surviving wall out there that's outlined in white. As we pause here, take a look at the top steel wall to drag over and crush the ore before it was taken to a processing mill. Of course, by the 1880s, this method was kind of old-fashioned, but it was still a respectable way of making sure every bit of silver was scraped to the Pacific Coast Borax Company. Those are from the Chinatown, where almost 40 Chinese lived and worked at Calico during the boom years. Mainly did laundry for the miners.
Be sure to grab all your gear, like purses, hats, glasses, and those little miners too. Please come back and join us again. We love having you.
Yes, we do. Don't forget to mosey over to the Maggie Mine. I hear there's a great tour over there too.
That's where we're headed.
Let's go into a mine. Safety first. there he is. Oh. Follow the steps. Yes, I'll do. Oh.
Here at the deepest portion of Dead Man's Drift, you can see early miners hard at work seeking that elusive silver vein.
Cool.
This part of the Maggie mine was given the name Dead Man's Drift because no mine timbers were used to support the roof and walls. And the tunnel to our famous glory hole. Watch your head and be sure to keep an eye out for silver nuggets.
This is cool, but not as cool as other mines, I guess. But I don't mind. Hard-working Chinese guy. So this is where the money was. Yeah. And here's the lazy ones. Here's Big John. I'm being chased. They are quick. They're not reading the signs as I do. Exit. Well, pretty cool. But this cost $4.50 for full-sized person like me. And the train cost $5.50. But now, let's head outside. What the? Where am I? Oh, there's more. What the? Sun again. I went in over there. There's a train. I came out over there. Well, see that bottle house? What's this? Shit, swimming. I'm too short to look inside, so the camera has to do the job. Still too short. Let's head up to the viewpoint. I'm not really sure how to walk here, but I'm just walking. We have some caves. Here we have the main street again. This is not a big town, but it used to be. Calico. Church. And the main street. From upper side. Maybe the rich side. I don't know. Let's walk the old street like they did back in the west. Cappuccino? No pets? Where's the bottle house? I want to see the bottle house. First, let's have a look at the blacksmith. Here you can find your own gold if you want. But I'm not today. There's the bottle house. Made out of bottles. Huh? Can I go inside? No. It says so. Dollhouse. Let's take the rock shot after this. What's this? Yes, it's summertime. Look at that big little saloon. Maybe I can buy beer now. I'm driving, so no beer for me right now. Okay, come in and see. Come in and see what? Here's the sheriff's office. Hard to film through the window. But I tried really hard. And here we have kuckelimuck medicine, as we say in Swedish. Yes, we have. Let's go in and make a haircut. Oh, I can bath here. Nice. Well, they're doing really good on the bathtubs, I can tell you that. Bakery. Yeah. Precision. Let's go to the saloon. There's nothing there. Come on. Mine shaft there. Something else. I think that's a mine shaft too. They actually have all the way down there. Maybe. I think. Danger, danger! High voltage. Oh, photographs. Bankrupt. That's not good. Let's take a look at these. Oh, the rain is close. I only have this left, so I can manage. I don't know which way to go, so I go this way. Oh, I thought it was upstairs, but it's not. Oh, luxury. She was doing well, little Miss Maggie. So here's the landmark. feel free to pause the video to read it. It's gonna be very hard, but you can at least try. Historical landmark number 782. I wonder how many there is, because I've seen a lot of them when I've been traveling around. I want to check them out, all out. No, not really. What's this? Town Hall. Some old pictures of everything in here. Yeah. Well, they're closing now, so I pretty much managed to do this. Population. Hey. Lower parking. No, I don't need that. Calico lives again. Yeah, that's it. Pretty nice little ghost town. A real tourist trap, but most of the ghost towns are. I like this one. It's my second or third time here. And yeah, check it out. I'm just gonna check out what's over here. Then, hasta luego. Made it before they closed. I made it before the rain. So I was here probably 75 minutes, 80 minutes. I did all the expensive tours. It's not expensive, but still it's extra. Yeah, Ghost Town Calico. That doesn't look good.